Pulling up, I sold my soul a good price. Out of sight, my hoe got talent, right? Whole squad ran do that shit, yikes.
Okay guys, it's the ND Aliens back with another brand new video. Okay, in this video I will be showing you how to fix the delaying, the lagging of the PC. So I was just planning on making a video of Rubik's Cube solving. We have planned, and my friend has gone out, my YouTube partner has gone out. We have planned to make this a series of the Rubik's Cube solving, and in this video I'm showing you how to fix the lag of the PC, and that's a proof. You just need internet. You can disconnect it, and so you can disconnect it, and you all, not you all, or all of we all of we think that the lagging of the PC is the computer is because of the applications, only because of the application graphics, but we are wrong. That is not only because of the graphics of the application, and it is because of unwanted files which is in the specific folders where you cannot reach. And first, type like I do. I will give the commands in the description. Okay, it's in the description. Okay, temp, then click OK, then you will be taken to a page like this, and here you can see these files are not useful. Here you can see, so they are not useful. Just you have to click on one, then Control A, then all of them will be selected. Click delete. The graphics folder will not be deleted because I don't know which type of graphics applications are you using, but they will not get deleted because they are now currently in use. The folder which is in use cannot be deleted on our PC or computer. Then type run once more, then click on the application, cancel here, type here prefetch. Okay, you can see prefetch. Click OK. They are saying that you don't currently have permission to access this folder, but we must access. If you want to increase the performance of your PC, you just have to click here and get the access to that, and select all of them. There will be so many files. Okay, then click right click delete. Yes, now close this, refresh 1 or 2 times just below 4. Okay, 10 refreshes. You can almost do 5 or 6 as you wish. Just refresh it sometimes. Then after it, you have to restart this. Okay guys, I have came after the restarting. Then you can see the lag of this will be settled up. Okay, here you can see how fast my PC is being. Last time before I was deleting them, they were becoming so hang. They was not taking me to any folder. That was lagging 1 or 2 seconds. Now you can see faster. Okay, that's for today guys. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. For more videos, subscribe, like and share also. Leave a sorry, I'll give you a username of Instagram in the description, and that's my Instagram account. You had to type that on the Instagram search, then you can message me on Instagram. And thanks guy, peace.